Today Clint's putting an air locker in his front diff on his 80 series. He's just setting up the dial gauge indicator to check his backlash out before he pulls the diff center apart.
26 there.
So we're just marking the bearing caps so they go on the same way. Just using a center punch. Okay, we've just taken the bearing caps off and drop the center out. We're now going to knock the tabs back, get the rattle gun onto the bolts, tap this off, and then we'll go from there. You got new bearings to go on this, Clint?
Yeah.
Use a rubber hammer and just work your way around and knock the crown wheel off. And pretty much that whole bit there, the center, you can put in a box or put it in the bin. We're just cleaning up the crown wheel bolts. Make sure we put some thread lock on and bolt the crown wheel to the new air locker. So it just needs a small amount of thread lock. Yep, sounds good. Yeah, do you want me to call you back? Call you back. Yeah. Alright, so just going to put all the bolts in, get a few threads on them, and then we're going to do them up a little bit at a time, but we're going to do it up in a special sort of pattern, so it's going to pull the whole crown wheel up evenly.
Like you do up a Toyota.
So we're just going cross to cross. And we thought we'd also mention we've used Loctite for these bolts because on the air locker assembly you can't use the nut clamps with the tabs. So it's important that you use your Loctite. We've just used Loctite 262 thread locker. We just got the new bearings onto the carrier. The bearings are on the carrier, and now we're going to drill the hole for the airline. Put rags in the housing to stop the all the shit from getting on the pinion.
Yeah, the hole's too small. But
Yeah.
I don't want to hear that.
Now if you go a bit bigger.
We've got Clint's playlist playing in the background. We just finished tapping out the housing for the airline. We just put the bearing caps back on. And we're matching back up to where they came from, what side they come off, which we mark with the hole punch at the start, and then we'll set the backlash and should be sweet.